It's good to see you all back again. I know how hard it is to eat healthy when you are surrounded with all the bad food choices and tempting choices. Today I'm going to share with you the very healthy no-bake chocolate brownies. This is vegan, gluten-free and sugar-free, but definitely not taste-free. It tastes absolutely delicious. Let's get started with it. Take a food processor like this and add half cup of walnuts and half cup of almonds. You can take any nuts actually, and take 3 tablespoons of raw cacao powder. If you don't have the raw cacao powder, you can actually add any normal cocoa powder. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. If you want, you can also add chia seeds. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of desiccated coconut. This is only optional. And I'm going to add 1 cup of pitted dates. I'm going to blitz this into a thick mass. Get a parchment paper like this and put the chocolate mixture in that. The mixture has to be in this consistency. It shouldn't be very dry and it shouldn't be very sticky as well. You should be able to roll it to a ball like this. Now using your hand, flatten this into a square or rectangle shape. Now I'm going to press some flaked almonds into it. You can refrigerate this for half an hour and slice them up and eat straight away. But I'm going to make some chocolate ganache to go with it at the top. For making the chocolate ganache, I've got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder. If you don't have cacao powder, then you can add normal cocoa powder as well. And I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. The chocolate ganache is now ready. I'm going to keep this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes to firm it up a little bit. Put the chocolate ganache on top of the brownie. I'm just going to spread the ganache over the brownies. This chocolate brownie is very rich because of the nuts and dates in it, so I've made them into small pieces. These fudgy and chewy chocolate brownies are very healthy because of the healthy ingredients in them, and it's great for your weight loss as well. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I would like to hear your comments as well. Please write your comments in the comment section below. I'll see you all in my next video with more and more healthy recipes. Until then, goodbye and take care everyone.